Meaning of endearingly.
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 Endearingly. Endearingly refers to something that is done in a way that is charming and lovable, often making others feel warmly towards the person or thing doing it. This word is used to describe actions, gestures, or behaviors that display affection, fondness, or a gentle nature. It can apply to humans, animals, or even objects. For example, a child who gives their parent a handmade card for their birthday is endearingly sweet. A puppy who playfully chases their tail is endearingly cute. Overall, endearingly describes actions or attributes that inspire affection and warmth in others.